Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to have to click on the image to reveal the live trace options. So go ahead, hover your mouse right over the image itself and click it. And now, as you'll see at the top, there's a button that says Live Trace. We're not going to click this, though. We're going to go into the Tracing Options dialog to create the exact look that we want for our bug. So come on over here to the right of the Live Trace button, to this little triangle here, and go ahead and click it. And go down all the way to the bottom and select your Tracing Options. Excellent. Now, I want to be able to see what I'm doing behind this Tracing Options dialog. So come up here to the top of the Tracing Options dialog, and then just click and drag it off to the right. Now we can see what it is that we're doing. We're mainly concerned with the pyramid. We're going to be using the pyramid as the foundation for the design of our bug. So, to see what we're going to do here in the Tracing Options dialog, let's come all the way over here to the right, and then go ahead and click in the checkbox for Preview. And now this is going to show us all the changes we're making here as they occur. So, come over here to the left to this category of settings called Adjustments, and you'll see the very first setting is for the color mode. Right now, as you can see, we're in black and white mode, and if you take a look at the artwork, well, not particularly attractive. We're going to want to change this to color. So let's go ahead and pull down the Mode pull-down menu, and let's change this from black and white to color. Great, that looks much better. Now let's go to the next menu right below that, and as you can see, we're using an automatic palette. In this mode, Adobe Illustrator CS2 is going to automatically pick the closest colors to your original image. You can also create a custom palette, but for this purpose, the automatic palette works great. If you look below that, you can see max colors, so you can actually increase or decrease this number to get fewer or more colors in the image. I happen to think that this is perfect where it's set right now at 6. And then let's come down to blur. Let's apply a really small blur to this, a 2-pixel blur. So come right over here to the text field for blur, go ahead and click it, and then drag across the text to select it, and then type in the number 2. And then to accept that change, just click anywhere outside of that text field. That looks much better. Okay, I think we're done with our Tracing Options dialog, so let's come up here to the upper right-hand corner and just click the Trace button.